Offen Adam got a hot Nelly of a match score as 36-67 wrestles with one of those hatch panels. 68-77's trying to move, but they are just not getting off that hab this time. The sandstorm has cleared, and it appears the Blue Alliance leads 17-14. We've got the Spartronics out of Imlay City posting up another hatch panel on that Blue Alliance rocket ship. Their partner 217 going for the cargo. While on the red 56-60, you know them as the Atherton Robotics team, but they're coming out now as Symmetrical Chaos. 56-60 with a cargo, try to play it, but they just are a little misaligned. Luckily, their partner, 36-67, Mechanum Knights, eases one in. And Thunder Chickens drop another cargo in the bottom of that rocket. Imlay accidentally hitting their partner, Thunder Chicks, while 60-33 bringing down the house with a cargo in hand. Rolls on over. Mechanum Knights try to play for a cargo, but it bounces in and out. Meanwhile, 56-60 getting a little rambunctious in the Blue Alliance zone, almost tips. And the fire alarm is going off. I'm not sure how to respond to this situation, but my guess would be I'm gonna let the FTAs call this one. All right, we're gonna stop it.